I just got the brand new XM6 in the mail. Super hyped about them. I have always been a user of the XM4s. The XM5 didn't really cut it for me. I wasn't really convinced I need to upgrade. But this one, the XM6, I'm super excited about them. So let's unbox them and see if they deliver. Alright, so where do we start here? Okay. So let's open them. The packaging is nice actually. Oh, alright. So that's like the cover right away. 1000X series. I hope like Sony come up with better names for these headphones. I don't know if I can do it here. Alright. Oh, they are inside the case. And this is I'm assuming this is so this is the box. Start with that. We give you a QR code to download the app first. I already have the app because I've been using it with the XM4s. This is the case for the XM4s and this is the case for the XM6. Kind of at the same size. A little bigger, I would say. The XM6 is a little bigger, but it's not a big difference. I don't usually actually use the case. I just toss it in my backpack. My XM4 is all scratched and everything. But that's fine. So back to the case of the XM6. Yeah, I mean I like the case, and I think they did make it like magnets instead of the zipper in the XM4s. So that is more convenient. I hope it's gonna be secure. We'll find out on the full review. Of course, this is just unboxing. I'm gonna do like a full review maybe in a week or 2 weeks or so. So definitely subscribe to not miss that. But my first impression is the case is nice. I like it. Good quality. So let's see what is inside the case. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So there is this pouch here that comes with some cables. This is a 3.5 cable to connect with your laptop, or if your phone still have like headphone jack, you know. So that is this one, and then it comes with USB-C to USB-A cable. I expected better quality, but hey, it's better than nothing. Alright, so coming to the headphones themselves, ooh, they feel nice. I feel like the finish is nicer than the XM4s. It's kind of similar, but it feels a little smoother. Maybe it's just because it's new. Whoa! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! This is really soft. The cushion is really, really soft. Wow! This is nice. This is nice. Like it feels really soft. It's hard to even explain how soft it is when you compare it with the XM4s. Maybe because it's just I use this for a long time. Maybe it is not as cushioned as the other one, but I mean this feels amazing. This feels amazing. Before I fire these bad boys up, let's look at the design quickly. They have the headband here, which also has some cushion, which is nice. And they changed the hinge here to be metal, just for it to be more durable. I mean, also they have the folding mechanisms, similar to the XM4s, which is something nice because the XM5, they were not foldable. So thanks to Sony for actually listening to feedback and bringing back the folding design. It has the usual stuff like the USB-C, same as in the XM4s, and the 3.5 jack here, and then the control for the noise cancellation here. Oh, they have the new power button that is nice and clicky. I love it. The XM4s, they have a power button, but it is similar to the other button, so it can be confusing to know which is which. But this one is clearly a power button, like it's rounded and different design, so that is welcomed. But I was hoping to have more physical button just for controls like play, pause, etc. But that didn't really happen. We still have the stupid gestures, which I don't like. I usually just turn it off and use my phone to control the media. I'm impressed by the design. Especially this blue color. Oh, it's look premium. Like, it doesn't look cheap at all. I mean, it's not cheap. It's $450, but we'll check and see how they sound. All right. So let's fire these bad boys and see how they sound. So let's try to connect them to my phone. Go to the app, sound connect, searching, taking some time. App not installed. The accessory Sony headphones is an app you don't have installed. Would you like to get from the Apple Store? I'm confused. I mean, seems they are connected now. I don't know what happened, but seems they are connected. So the app is redesigned. I'm gonna talk about it later in the full review. But for now, I wanna just listen to how they sound and also do a microphone test. So putting them on for the first time. Oh. They're holding firmly on my head. I mean, they are comfortable, I would say. So let's play some music. It sounds really good. Okay, let's listen to the XM4s and see if I can notice the difference. I mean, they sound really more crisp. The bass is really clear, and you can literally hear every beat. It sounds really good. I mean, the XM4s already sounds really good, and this is even better. The other thing I wanted to check quickly is active noise cancellation. Like Sony said, the active noise cancellation is dramatically improved. I'm gonna do a quick test. I'm gonna just play a sound for the subway.
Next stop is 43 XM6.
Yep, the active noise cancellation seems to be better on the XM6. I mean, that's expected. The last thing I wanted to check is the microphones. So let's record a quick voice memo now. Oh, the battery is dead. I have to recharge it. While we wait for the XM4s to charge, talking about battery, the battery on these ones can give you up to 30 hours of listening, and 3 minutes of charging can give you up to 3 hours of listening. And as I mentioned, they have USB-C, same as prior models. They charge with USB-C, super convenient, love that. And the other thing they added this year is that you can listen to them while they are charging. That wasn't the case in the XM4s. So they probably now charge. Testing the microphone of the XM4s. Testing the microphone of the XM4s. Testing the microphone of the XM6. Testing the microphone of the XM6. I think that is it for this video. So definitely subscribe not to miss the final review. I'm gonna be daily driving these bad boys for the next 1 or 2 weeks, and I think the question if it is worth it to upgrade from the XM4s to the XM6. So we're gonna answer that question in the final review. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Bye.